Excuse me?
Banana.
Banana? You want a banana? What you want a banana for? And who put all the stuff here? Who put all the stuff here? Look, we bought this for Emilia. It's for her birthday. Stop looking. Don't look at it.
Banana.
Banana? What are you talking about? Huh? Anna's on the phone to her mom. Frap. You want a frap? You want a frappuccino?
Frap.
A pwop?
Frap.
Pwop. Pwop. I had a nice snooze this morning in Emilia's bed. It's actually quite comfortable. We're going to try and have lunch though. We'll go out for lunch. We've got to use up those chicken checks. So we're going to try and find a Nando's. It is like 3:30. So we're having a late lunch, lads. It's a late lunch. A late lunch. You need to get dressed though. You need to get dressed. What do people think? What do people say? People will say, hey, you there, in the Mickey Mouse pajamas. Alright, so that's... High five?
Yeah, high five. High five.
Boom! Nice one!
High five. High five.
That's so cool. Did you teach that this morning?
No, it's gone.
Oh.
High five.
High five!
High five.
High five, she's mad for it. Can I have a high five? High five! Yeah! Woo! Here, Erica, we're going to Nando's, but will you stay here and just fix all and build the stuff? Thanks. Thanks. Hello, Eduardo. Welcome to Crawley. I think this is Crawley, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crawley. Never been here before. This is where the nearest Nando's was. Well, there was a couple of options, but one was north, one was south. And then I could have gone to the airport. But I figured this one, because the other one said High Street, and I was like, well, that one was closer, the High Street one, but I was like, nah. Because I mean, I won't be able to, I have to park ages away. Let's see what's behind this door.
Oh my god, will we all fit in here?
We're in the epicenter, lads. Bella Italian, Pizza Hut, TGI Fridays, Nando's, Frankie and Benny's. Never been to Frankie and Benny's in my life. McDonald's. This is like, I wonder if we should do a tour. You know the way like do that pub crawls? Imagine doing like a food crawl. Start in Frankie and Benny's and like work your way around. Come on, Emilia. Chippity chop. Okay, so we went to Nando's. There was like a 20-minute waiting time. I have all these chicken checks. And we decided to come to Frankie and Benny's. I've never been to a Frankie and Benny's. Frankie and Benny's. Give me comments if you've ever been to Frankie's and Benny's. She got a fun pack? Nice. That's all she needs.
I just didn't look in. I wish it be
Oh, hi. Hello. Hello, Eduardo. What's Eduardo getting? I like the boob. This is so difficult, lads. You don't understand our conundrum in life. Seriously, right? The menu is like, it's so much to choose from. It's almost too much. Oh no. Waffles and pancakes. Oh my god, I gave myself such a fright. Hey look, did you give us such a fright too? I just, as you walk in the door, there's a mirror there. I actually walked around, I was like, oh sorry. I was like, oh, I apologized to myself. I thought I walked in on someone in the toilet, but it was actually me. I walked in on us, friend. Huh? I walked in on us. It's kind of cool, look at the stuff up there. To the chapel of love. Bum, bum, bum. What is she doing? We've crossed a new time in our lives. Anna had a lunch without feeding a child. Amazing. Look at this. I was able to soothe him. I feel accomplished. Look inside this thing Eduardo ordered for himself. You ready? Nom, 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 nom. Oh my god, he opened up. He opened up to take it in. Look at this thing. Lads, I regret nothing. No regrets. Rock and Robin. Emilia loves this place. This is Emilia's favorite diner. She loves it. I know. She's like dancing around. She got a trophy. Eduardo likes it too. And we all had Sundays on Sundays. Oh my god, we had Sundays on Sundays. Look what the balloon is doing. It's made Emilia's hair all static. Look at that. It's so funny looking. We lost the balloon along the way. That's so funny looking. Come on, do you want me to carry her?
No, it's okay.
Okay, let's go. Come on. We gotta get home. Do you think it's okay to kick my apples?
Your apple.
Hello. Look at Anna's going around tormenting the dogs. Hello!
Puppies?
Hello, puppies! Did you guys build the IKEA stuff? Oh, they didn't.
Whoa.
Thought maybe they built the IKEA stuff.
Oh, it smells like ear mites.
Ear mites? Got a couple of dogs there, lady. Hey, you there with the balloons. Get inside. Get inside. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get inside. Get inside. Let's get inside. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. The other balloon. Erica lost the balloon on you. Are we just a pack of dogs? Are we a pack of dogs roaming around?
Dogs.
Dogs. We're a pack of dogs, lads. Pack of dogs, lads. Ow! Whoa, you're so tall. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What are you gonna do? What's your plan? Do you have a plan or a piano Louis? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, lads. So, Zoe just tagged me. Zoe? Cookie, cookie. Do you know Zoe? Wowie? Well, Wowie just tagged me in the ALS charity ice bucket thing. Woohoo! So I'm hoping tomorrow's going to be super sunny. Super sunny. Oh my god, so much easier for people who live in like LA and stuff where it's super hot. We live in England, man. It's so much colder here in England. Don't kind of focus. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to head up to Morrison's and buy like a shipment device, fill up a bucket, and basically just pour it on myself. That's going to be fun. Actually, it may already actually be up on the second channel because this is the day behind. And apparently you have 24 hours to do it as well, so that's like totes fun. So yeah, there might be a link below if you want to watch me freeze my butt off for throwing ice over myself. It may be or it may not be. I'm not 100% sure. You know what I'm talking about.
So Jonathan is forcing us to go out into the night and forage for food.
Foraging for fun on a Friday night.
Emilia, stop that, Jonathan. She was like taking wipes out and then putting them in the bin.
What?
Yeah. She like took out, oh my god, that dog. Nivea, she just went up to the lamp and she was just like, like, what's that? Oh no. Oh, Nivea.
We're forever foraging. We're foraging, people.
Foraging for food.
We have guests coming tomorrow. You'll never guess who. Leave your guest comments down below.
It's so funny because Jonathan was like, oh, tomorrow we have to pretend like we cook home-cooked meals and like there's no takeouts anymore.
We'll be on the asparagus and...
My mom could just watch the vlogs and know that we've been taking out. Well, not every night, but, you know, it's kind of like a holiday.
We'll see if I can let him go.
No, Jonathan.
No,
He is 4 months old.
Ready? Ready? Here we go.
The laptop
Test of life. Ready? Go. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, like no.
1, 2, 3, 4,
It's
5.
just a no. Emilia, what have you done? You've muted it.
You're good at it, man. Yeah, you like
She
that?
looks so bored.
She looks tired,
Look at her
actually.
face.
Jonathan, like, look at this. What would Francesca say?
Huh? Woo!
If she's watching right now, she'll be like,
Oh, Francesca has an irrational fear of nappies.
an irrational fear of nappy.
She does.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, when we were having that meeting.
I think when you have kids, you just don't even care anymore. Or maybe it's just your own kids, actually. I don't know how I'd feel if somebody else threw another child's nappy in my face. I'd probably be quite upset, actually. Come to think of it.
That's all we got.
That's it. We just came here for the water.
Thank you.
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, okay.
That was it. Just water and shake.
Yeah, that was it.
Shaky water.
Nothing else. I have no idea what you're talking about.
No.
Why?
I hope they don't give me anything else.
Yeah, we should just wait here just in case.
Yeah, it's traffic. Traffic's hectic traffic. You know, it's the problem. The car won't move forward. Don't you hand me food. Don't you be handing me food now. Whatever you do. Do you guys want it over here? You want to get in on anything? I think I can reach the fries from here.
The deep fat fryer. That'd be really scary.
What's that? A what? A cheeseburger? Emilia, say cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Looks like a cheeseburger. A what? What's that? You gonna take it off? Yeah. Cheeseburger fingers. Cheeseburger fingers on the left.
Dogs are going insane.
Cheeseburger fingers. Because there's food on the go. We got nothing. I got nothing. And I got nothing either.
What the hell? I just bought that map.
Yeah, I know.
Erica? What are you doing putting ketchup here?
I gave it to him slim.
What did Eduardo get? Nothing.
Hands.
Can I get a McBoob meal? Imagine the McBoob milk. McBoob meal. I don't know what I'm saying. What? Why? Okay, look, you can be on camera. Is that what you wanted? Is that what you wanted? The show is about me, guys. I'm here now.
I finished.
What?
I finished.
You finished?
Wasn't
No.
recording the whole time.
You finished the milk?
Maybe have a bit more.
No, do this.
No, have more.
You don't
Let's
get
go.
more
Let's go. Come on, please. Please, can I stay home, Emilia? Please.
Eduardo. He's like,
Eduardo's going to go too. Eduardo going to go too? Eduardo going to go too? Eduardo going to go too?
No.
come on, let's go.
Have to bring your child to bed. Let's go.
Why are you holding the white?
Okay, before we go to bed, we need to do our exercises. Oh. Okay, this is called the lunge before bed.
Come on.
The lunge before bed. The lunge. Oh, the spin around. Oh, the spin around, lads. Oh, the double spin around. Oh, the triple spin around.
Peach might get sick.
Oh, the quadruple spin around.
Let's go. Upstairs.
You want to go to bed? Oh. Let's go. Let's go. And that's the story of how Emilia got to bed. And this is me in a pair of lederhosen. Look at us. We're so funny looking. What have I got there? Is that a drink or something like that? I don't even look at Eduardo and his little lederhosen. Me and Eduardo in a lederhosen. And Anna and Emilia. It's so funny. Like, we got some cake. I'm not really sure who the guy in the top right is. But yeah, that's a fun one. Thanks for watching today's episode, guys. Don't forget to check out the ALS video, which I think it might have been done by now. I'm not really 100% sure. I'm sitting here in the morning time of the day. I'm going to head up to Morrison's, grab loads of ice, and then I'm going to go out on the bike, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to get the ice thrown on me. Sounds like a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Leave nice comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for being my friend. Thanks for being my friend. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. Yeah, I do.